If megabytes were ounces, how heavy would your data be? The answer changes over time, more than you might think. Let's consider your multimedia. If you were lucky enough to have a digital camera in 1995, your 400 or so pictures were probably about 0.4 megabyte each. Not much. Video files on a 1995 PC? As if. Music? Well, you might have accidentally copied a few songs from your friends. What else? Windows 95 used up 40 megabytes and Office needed another 55. Throw in some games, a bunch of documents, and all told, you as a serious user might have consumed about 1 gigabyte of disk space. Megs to ounces, that's a little more than 60 pounds, or your average Labrador Retriever. Fast forward to now, we have thousands of pictures of at least 5 megabytes. High-def home video starts at about 65 megabytes per minute. Even assuming that you stream all music, Windows 10 still needs 16 gigabytes, and locally installed Office 365 will take another 3 gigabytes. Games have gone photorealistic, and even business apps pop with cinematic media elements. In 20 years, our need for data storage has grown over 1,000 times bigger. That's not linear growth, it's exponential, and it's still climbing. So ask the big question. How much storage will you need even 3 years from now? Whatever the answer, you'd better be prepared. Say you shoot the cutest cat video ever with your phone. That file is 100 megabytes. You copy it into your PC's home video collection. There's another 100 megabytes. When you back up your PC to your storage appliance, there's another 100. You share your cat's comic genius on social media, and just 5 people download the file, and back it up, and share it, and so on. The rapid and easy sharing of data is one of many factors driving storage's exponential growth. Fortunately, Seagate has the high-capacity technologies to help you keep pace. If you don't need more storage today, you will tomorrow, both locally and in the cloud, so don't wait to upgrade your capacity. Make sure you keep your life or your business running smoothly. Seagate consistently leads the industry in delivering reliable drives built for applications demanding high capacities that are ready to meet tomorrow's mushrooming applications. Be ready for the future. Have room to let your data breathe and grow, because you never know what data will grow on you next.